The Mwenezi community has been left in shock following the mysterious death of former ZANU-PF Ward 5 councillor Tinashe Yenge, who was recently found hanging from a tree in the mountains 2 days after he was reported missing. Azvipere Moshe pane chitiko chavhundutsa vanhu panguva ine vanhu vanokugadzikana after ZANU-PF Mwenezi Stowers dies under mysterious circumstances. Tadapinda mashoko anobuda nyogwa panguva ino toti subscribe like on the bell icon tipinda munhu amunobuda nyogwa muchinzi Yenge, a controversial figure in Divai village under Chief Neshuro, reportedly vanished shortly after the revelation of an alleged extramarital affair with a married woman from the same village. Sources claim that tensions had been running high in the days leading up to his disappearance, but the exact circumstances surrounding his death remain unclear. His body was discovered by villagers who had mounted a search operation after he failed to return home. The discovery has raised more questions than answers, with some community members expressing doubt over whether he took his own life or if foul play may have been involved. In quotes, it's hard to believe you'd just take his life over an affair, said one local resident who requested anonymity. There is more to the story than we've been told. Police have not yet released an official statement regarding the cause of death, and investigations are reportedly ongoing. Yenge's death has cast a dark cloud over the local ZANU-PF structures, where he was known as a loyal party cadre and community mobilizer. Local leaders have called for calm and urged residents to allow the police to conduct a full investigation. The community now awaits clarity as the speculation continues to spill over what really happened in the final hours of the former councillor's life. Thomas Kwarbuda Pangwa Inonukons, this former councillor was an PF Pangwa Ine Ozongonekwa Akayenga mountainous areas after an affair. Dispute yakangaitika mashoko ari kubuda panguva ine vanhu panguva ine pauri kuti this incident vanhu ngavasaitora zvedambe nokuda kwokuti there is more to be said pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pane zvikuru zvakaitika vanhu zvavasiri sure of zvavazosiyira maoko emapurisa vachiti ngavachiinvestigata vaone chii chakaitika. Pinda kumasection medu dzimafunguro enyu matudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.